Okay, welcome back, you guys. So in this video, I will guys teach you how to roll up money. You can use a marker. You will need scissors. I use this kind of tape. You can use the smaller tape for convenience, but I think it's better to buy a bigger one that will last. And of course, ones. Okay? So I will teach you guys how to do that. Hey, you guys. So I'm sorry that I kind of did the cake without you guys, but I thought it would be easier for me to get out my creative process first, because sometimes I think the cake will look one way and I end up switching up another way. But for these, the Twix and the Hershey's, I just use a glue gun to stick the candy pieces onto the cake. And for the name, I have a printer and I just printed the name out, and then I use glitter to make it pop out. But you can always go to Michael's or Myers or Walmart to buy these alphabet stickers. I have tons, but sometimes I like a specific font, so I kind of, print out my own. Or if you have a Cricut, you can use that. So this is how the money sticks on the cake. I will use glue, put it on the non-sticky part, and glue that on the cake. So when I put the money on, it will stick. See? Okay, so this is how you guys will put the ribbon on the cake. I like to measure it to see how much I need. Cut it. And then I grab a piece of tape. And put it across like that. So guys, this is the end result of the money cake. I bought the black bow from Target. It was $1.99 or $2.99, something like that, because it was a little boring on top. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys know how to make a money cake by watching, and send pictures to show me what you guys created. Thank you.